Have you ever wondered what happens if you eat soap? We humans, by our very nature, are a curious species. We question, we explore, we push the boundaries of what's known and unknown. This curiosity often leads us down some pretty peculiar paths, one of which might just be the strange idea of eating soap. Yes, you heard it right, soap. This everyday item that we associate with cleanliness and hygiene, but certainly not with our dinner plate. While soap is a marvel when it comes to maintaining external cleanliness, it was never designed or intended for consumption. It's not a food item, it's a cleaning product. Yet, the question persists. What exactly happens if someone decides to munch on a bar of soap? Well, it's time to quench that curiosity. So let's dive into the actual effects of eating soap on your body. To understand the effects of soap in our body, we first need to know what soap is made of. At its core, soap is a simple concoction of fats or oils mixed with an alkali, commonly lye. This combination undergoes a process called saponification, resulting in the familiar substance we all know and use daily. Fats and oils are harmless. They're even essential components of our diet. The real kicker here is the alkali. In soap making, lye, a strong alkali, is used. While it is crucial for the process, it's also a substance you wouldn't want to ingest. Externally, soap's mild abrasive nature and its ability to emulsify and encapsulate dirt and oil make it a fantastic cleaning agent. But when ingested, the same properties can lead to irritation and other harmful effects in our digestive tract. Now that we know what soap is made of, let's look at what happens when it enters our body. When soap is swallowed, it can cause a number of unpleasant symptoms. Now, let's delve into the specifics. Firstly, the immediate effects of soap consumption are far from pleasant. Consuming soap, whether accidentally or intentionally, can lead to a swift onset of symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach pain. The soap's chemical components can irritate the lining of your stomach and intestines, causing your body to expel it rapidly. But the repercussions don't stop there. Over time, repeated soap ingestion can lead to long-term damage to your digestive system. The soap's harsh ingredients can wear down the protective lining of your gut, potentially leading to more serious conditions like gastritis or ulcers. Moreover, the soap's alkalinity can disrupt the delicate pH balance of your stomach, inhibiting the function of enzymes that aid in digestion. This can lead to nutrient malabsorption, further compromising your health. In summary, eating soap is not only unpleasant but potentially harmful. While soap has its place in maintaining our hygiene, it's clear it doesn't belong in our diet. We've delved into the science and consequences of soap ingestion, underscoring the necessity of using products as intended. So, next time you wonder about eating soap, remember the facts and stick to food.